when I'm going in and I'm trying to clean up an account, right? Because a lot of you here are already existing sellers on Amazon. So like, okay, this is an amazing launch, but I already launched. And so, there's some things that I may have done that have not been the best, or, some things are working, some things are not. How do you clean everything up? Okay, so here's how I would go about it. First of all, portfolios. Every single product should have a portfolio, and you should only have portfolios for the product. So, if you have 3 products, then there should be one for each product. That you should have 3 portfolios, and that's it, not 17. Now, if you have variations, if the variations are closely related and you're going to target them in the same campaigns, then you should just have one portfolio for the 2 variations, because they're as if they're one product, and you're just letting the Amazon choose which one to show, and letting the customer choose which one they want to buy.
Hey, it's Ria Mittal here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to SellerApp's main YouTube channel, where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're winning on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.